我喝着乌鸦，我操！我操！
In an extraordinary turn of events, Henan province found itself in the grip of a relentless snowstorm on December 10, 2023, accompanied by thunder and flashes of purple lightning. The provincial capital, Jiangsu, witnessed an unusual spectacle as large flocks of crows soared through the snowy skies, a sight rarely seen in the city. The blizzard, which struck the central, western, and northwestern regions of Henan, left a blanket of snow as deep as 18 centimeters in certain areas. The severity of the storm prompted the closure of numerous highways, disrupting traffic, and leading to the suspension of some passenger train services. In response to the extreme weather conditions, educational authorities took swift action. Anyang Municipal Education Bureau declared a temporary suspension of classes on the morning of December 11 for all junior high schools, primary schools, and kindergartens in the city. A decision on the continuation of class suspensions for the afternoon would be contingent upon further weather assessments. Similarly, the Jiangsu Municipal Education Bureau issued a notice suspending classes on the morning, due to anticipated severe weather conditions, including heavy snowfall, strong winds, and low temperatures. Junior high schools and middle schools in Jiangsu were affected, with primary schools and kindergartens closed. The possibility of further class suspensions for the afternoon hinged on ongoing weather evaluations. Cities justified the class suspensions by citing a combination of heavy snowfall, low temperatures, and other severe weather conditions. Xinxiang City took more drastic measures, implementing a Level 4 emergency response to low-temperature rain, snow, and freezing disasters. The Jiangsu Meteorological Observatory escalated the blizzard warning from orange to red on Monday, citing significant snowfall and a snow depth of 10 centimeters at Jiangsu Station in the preceding 6 hours. The onset of the snowstorm was attributed to the southward movement of cold air, plunging northeast China into the throes of winter.
真的好大，迎面而来，我天哪！
As the cold air advanced, regions including Beijing, Tianjin, Hebei, Shaanxi, Shandong, Anhui, Jiangsu, Zhejiang, and Shanghai experienced a marked drop in temperatures. In addition, snowfall was reported in the mountainous areas of western Hebei, northwestern Henan, and western Beijing. Subsequently, urban areas of Beijing and Tianjin transitioned from rain to snow in the middle of the night. Henan province faced further challenges as many highways were temporarily closed, prompting the Henan Expressway Traffic Police Corps Command Center to announce closures. Nationwide, a total of 134 road sections were closed due to snowfall and icy roads, affecting regions including Beijing, Tianjin, Hebei, Shaanxi and Xinjiang. Several trains in two parts of Shaanxi province were suspended. The unprecedented snowstorm left Jiangsu Municipal Education Bureau with no choice but to issue a temporary suspension of classes for junior high schools, primary schools, and kindergarten students. Awaiting further notifications, residents brace for the challenges posed by this unexpected and severe weather event. In response to the escalating situation, the China Central Meteorological Observatory raised the stakes by issuing a yellow warning for heavy snowfall. Among the blizzard warning signals, the red warning, the most severe level, underscored the gravity of the situation, as the province grappled with the onslaught of an exceptional winter storm. It was the first significant snowfall this year in much of China, outside of mountainous areas and in the northeast near the border with Russia's Siberia.